Alright, so we're back here at the dishwasher, and I forgot my camera, so I'm just using my phone here, so apologies. But we're going to dig into the pump the rest of the way, and all the parts of this pump come out through the top. So I've already got all the screws out. So we pull off the top cover. There's a screw normally in the center here. And this is the wash impeller comes off. Then two screws right here hold the drain cover on. And there's a little plastic piece that kind of snaps in here like that. It covers the drain channel. Then the drain impeller comes off. There's a little O-ring there. And this is our problem. Remember what I said? It sounded like rubber rubbing. Well, it's not going to do it now because it's dried. I've already had it apart. But this impeller has swollen a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. Right around the center hub. Hold it up to the light here. You can actually see that the rubber has grown. Anyway, quick fix would probably just be trim this down a little bit. It would sit in the housing perfectly fine and probably work. But I decided to try to find a new one. And well, let's take a look here. Okay, so if you look here, this is part 9-894, which comes out to being part number 900894, and it's no longer available, of course. So I searched on eBay, couldn't find anything, did some more researching, and I came across a parts kit. Well, it's a pump rebuild kit. And I ended up finding one listing for that on eBay. New Maytag dishwasher pump repair kit 901109. And there's the part we need right there. Plus, it's not going to hurt to have new seals either. So anyway, have to wait for that to get here. And we'll put this thing back together. Thanks for watching. And we have our repair kit. Well, I just went ahead. There were two in the auction. I bought both of them because there's a good chance that these might be the last two in existence. So anyway, this is the bag. It's a Maycore division of Maytag repair kit 901109, and it comes with a little instruction sheet here, which isn't really an instruction sheet. It just says if this kit is used to repair a power module, it still uses the 9-11225 pump gasket, then the gasket should be discarded as it is not needed with this kit. And that is just a gasket that goes under the pump cover, which this one didn't have anyway. So, before we get started here, let's take a look at the parts that we have. We have the base seal, the drain impeller, O-ring, the pump cover, two screws, the main wash impeller, an O-ring, and the main screw that holds the top of the pump on. So now look, this is the part that we got this for. No longer available. I said, I probably may have the last two new ones in existence, but this is the old one. Looking at it, it doesn't really look that bad. It's not disintegrating, it's still pliable. Not any less than the new one. But let's take a look at it real quick. As we saw in the last video, we could see light around the hub, whereas this one is still tight on there. But I know this isn't the proper way to measure it, but since it actually sits in the caliper good like this, yeah, it's about 2.238, whereas the new one about 2.189, give or take a few, because I am squeezing it a little bit to hold it in there. But I'd say that one's, yeah, 2.189, that's good enough. So this one has definitely swollen a little bit, and it's even visible if you put them together like that. And that was what was causing the binding on the pump housing. Now, I probably could just drop this in, and let's make sure we get the right one here. Hold on. Let's put the old one off to the side so we don't mix them up. I could probably just put this in and put it all back together and say it's good, but since we've got the rest of the pump parts, we're going to replace the rest of the pump parts.